Hello everyone, very good evening. I'm announcing a new Power BI batch starting from next week, June 11th, Saturday. This time it is not a regular sessions, it is only the weekend classes, Saturday and Sunday. So 4 hours a day, and which is 8 hours a week. And also I've changed the content a bit. I'm including more of cloud services, Azure Data Lake Storage, and Azure Data Factory basics for now. And going forward in the next sessions, you can expect also end-to-end data factory from my sessions. I'm excluding Power BI Report Server, Power BI Report Builder, and MS SQL Server Basics. We are not going to have any dedicated classes for these three things, but still we will cover wherever required in our sessions. And this is the content we're going to cover end-to-end in Power BI from basic to advanced. So new batch starts on 11th June, as I mentioned, Saturday, and it will be ending on 31st of July. And 60 hours, 8 hours per week, Saturday and Sunday. The timings would be like 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. India time, which is the evening sessions. And it will be in the Microsoft Teams online classes, and it will be in English. But still, I can answer your questions in Telugu if someone is expecting to answer or clarify something. I can also do that in the classes. So we are going to start with Power BI Desktop, and then we move on to Power BI Service and administration. So you can check these things. I'm going to leave the link in the description. This is a Power BI report. You can click on the link and can go through all these things later. So then we'll move on to DAX, a very vast subject. So whatever we're going to cover, that is very much sufficient for you to start with in the real time, which is like regularly used expressions and commonly used scenarios. Wherever you go, this will be helpful for you. Then we move on to tabular model, analysis services, and Azure AS, which is a cloud-based service for tabular, and Power Automate, which is Microsoft Flow. So we do few things here, few use cases here for Power BI. We go through those things, some examples here in this thing. And we move on to data lake storage and ADF. As I mentioned, this is a beginner level data factory. So going forward, you can expect dedicated sessions from my end for data factory end to end. But let's see how it will go in the later sessions after this batch. And we'll discuss about the business process, how the real time works, how you interact with the business, how you gather the requirement from them, and how you work with multiple teams like project management teams to finish your task in agile and sprints. And we also discuss on interview questions, and I'll provide a resume guidance where I'll provide some points to keep on the profile in your resume preparation. And we'll discuss about the projects as well. It's like complete end-to-end real time. And this is the content flow, 8 weekends, 2 days a week. And I'm going to provide two Power BI premium producer accounts. So to everyone who registered for these classes, which is like domain accounts only, you can see your name at the rate binfinite.com, and have a group to clarify your questions. We can chat, or we can discuss or calls. All these things I'm available. Depends on the time and all. So we can discuss these things. So please go through this as I mentioned. So I have all the environment, a proper environment. If you're coming here for the very first time, you can check these things as well. This is my Power BI domain account. So this is my Azure portal where you can see I've configured many services here. So whatever you're going to see in the classes, the same you're going to experience in the real time. The only thing is the names are going to differ, but technically everything would remain same. And we have Azure SQL and Data Factory and Data Lake Storage and Azure Synapse. I'm going to cover something about this in the classes, though I've not mentioned this in the training content. Since we are going to cover some ADF basics, so we're also going to use this is a destination, which is our Azure Synapse, which is like Azure SQL data warehouse, I can say, which is a cloud data warehouse, and analysis services, Azure analysis services, and we can also see about administration part and Power Platform administration thing, and Microsoft Power Automate. So all these things we're going to cover in the classes. So that's all I have. So please go through the link and check the content. And if anyone are interested, you can contact me directly in the WhatsApp. You can see the WhatsApp number here, or you can also email me. So whichever is comfortable to you. And thank you so much. Bye, everyone.